Hello guys, today I want to present you version 0.1 of a new Laravel package from us from Laravel Daily called LaraStarters. It will install a different theme on top of Laravel Breeze. The idea came from a video I published a week ago. It was a review of a package called Breeze Starter, and at the end of this video I asked you whether it is a viable business or project idea, and with 70 comments it was pretty clear that there is something there. So the first version of LaraStarters will install one of the three themes on top of Laravel Breeze, or in fact with Laravel Breeze. So the first theme is Windmill UI, the second theme is Notice.js by Creative Team, and the third comes from Tailwind components. They are all based on Tailwind as Laravel Breeze itself, but tweaked a bit to support Tailwind version 2 specifically. That package should be used only on fresh Laravel installation. That's an important thing. So immediately after you install Laravel, you choose any Laravel Breeze, Jetstream or UI. Same thing, instead of those, you would choose LaraStarters. The vision here is to support more starter kits and more themes, but I will get to that at the end of this video. Now, the demonstration. So I create a totally new Laravel project, Laravel New Laravel, which will create a folder called Laravel. Then I do cd into that Laravel, do composer require, Laravel Daily, LaraStarters. Like this. The version is 0.1.1, so it's still in early days and it's not battle tested, so be cautious. But in a basic version it does work. And then we do PHP artisan, LaraStarters, install. And you choose a theme. Theme could be Windmill, this parameter, then Notice.js, or Tailwind components. Let's choose Windmill. So it installs Laravel Breeze and then changes the assets and the views to that theme's views. And then npm install and npm run dev. So npm is successful, and if we go to the homepage of laravel.test now, the homepage doesn't change, it's still the same Laravel, but if we go to register, the theme is different. It's Windmill UI. Under the hood, in terms of controllers, the whole Laravel Breeze code is still there. The only things that are changed, views and assets. And if we use fake filler Chrome extension to register, inside you will also have a different theme. So it is still the same Laravel Breeze in terms of controllers and everything related to auth. But here we have Windmill, where you can log out and then you can proceed creating the actual internals of your project. So this is LaraStarters version 0.1, the very beginning. And now I get back to you with the same question. So with this video I asked you whether it's a good idea. And now, in a week, we materialized something really simple. And now, what is missing? The question to you, shoot in the comments. What features do you want on top of that? First, do you want other starter kits, like Laravel UI for Bootstrap? And then it's a question, Bootstrap 4 or Bootstrap 5? And Laravel Jetstream. With Jetstream there's a problem, because Jetstream in itself is quite full of different design elements, components and all of that. It's much more feature full with different elements, so I'm not even sure if it would be possible, because free Tailwind themes or Bootstrap themes would just not have all those elements that Jetstream needs. So I'm quite skeptical about Jetstream, so probably we will have Breeze or UI if there is a demand for a Bootstrap theme. So that's question 1 about starter kits. Question 2 about themes. What themes would you suggest? They need to be free because we don't have any license to have something like Metronic or something premium. So if you have any themes to suggest, again, Tailwind or Bootstrap, shoot in the comments. And finally, the features. So on top of default auth, of default Breeze, there are various features, and I have some notes here in my Sublime for more functionality. Out of this list, what would you like to have inside of LaraStarters? So profile management to change your email name and password, socialite auth, so login with Facebook, Google or something like that. Then demos for text page, for static table, maybe for forms. Multi-language would be quite a huge functionality, and I would not be comfortable with that by default, but maybe there's something to pursue here. And then on top there could be managing of the user and role, but then we get from the starting theme to the actual backend. So we would need to modify the structure of users table, so define role ID or user roles or something like that. Then we need to have some middlewares for admin or not. So this is not just LaraStarters, it's kind of deeper, but maybe it's worth pursuing. doing? Not sure. So imagine tomorrow you have a new project and you want to start with something simple like Laravel Breeze, but with design on top. What features would you need specifically for that project or for any project in the future? So if you want our team to work more on LaraStarters, give us the feedback, give us the idea. Maybe open some issues or pull requests yourself if you want to contribute. So for now, it's just the beginning of version 0.1. Will there be like an official and bigger version 1.0? It depends on all of you guys. And if you want more than just starter kit with more functionality, of course, we have quick admin panel, which actually generates the starter kit itself. But then on top, you can create CRUDs, there's roles and permissions, a lot of modules available. So that would be kind of a premium version of the same LaraStarters for those of you who want to invest money and save time. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.